is saying that when quantity is 100, the total cost is 500. That's it here. And also when the quantity produced is 200, the total cost is 8,000. Okay, so when the quantity is 200, the total cost is what? 8,000. That's the second one. And he's saying that find the cost equation. It's simple. You know that total cost is equal to your variable cost plus your fixed cost. And the variable cost is the variable cost per unit times quantity plus your fixed cost. It's like the linear equation formula. Y is equal to what? MQ plus C. And I told you how to find M. M is once I was M is same as variable cost. And I told you that M is equal to what? Y2 minus Y1 over what? X2 minus X1. Please, do you remember? Yes. And I even told you that sometimes the activity levels wouldn't be the same. So we will use something we call high or low method. It's the same y2 minus y1, but you take the highest y, then you take the lowest y, and their associated quantities. Please, have we forgotten? Mm-hmm. Even there are more than two because we have this method, we have the it's this one. And okay, I don't know the one I was simple. You, I'll do all the three methods. I'll do as much as I can do. I'll not do all. I'll do as much. Even I can use okay, I'll do three methods because this is a new recording so that I'll upload it different. Okay. So from here, M becomes equal to now what is our Y2? Our Y2 is the new total cost. Because our Y is likened to the total cost. Okay. So it can be written as total cost 2 minus total cost 1 all over what? Quantity 2 minus quantity 1. So what's our total cost? 8,000 minus 5,000 all divided by 200 minus 100. And we get 3,000 here divided by 100. So what's our M? 30. Because this is 100. 0 cancels 0. Another 0 cancels 0. So we get 30. Please, are you here? Good. Then since we have 30, okay, we I told you that when you are using this approach, it is two things that you are looking for: your M and your fixed cost. This and the M. So now that you know your M, you need your fixed cost. So you can put any of the activity levels. You can either put this one or that one into the equation to find the fixed cost. Please, are you with me? Yes. 300. Is it the 3,000? It's 3,000. So when you divide the 3,000 by 100, you get it. Then you are good. So from here, from here, we say our total cost is equal to M. Now we know our M, sorry. So we take one activity level, okay? One activity level. So let's say when Q is 100, TC is 5K. So we say 5K, which is our total cost, is equal to what? Our M, which is 30 times the Q. And we know our quantity to be what? You know TC is equal to MQ plus C. But now we are going to put this, this, and this because this is our M into the equation. So this is TC. TC is 5,000 being equal to M. M is what? 30 and times Q. But the Q is 100. So we put the 100 here plus C because we want to find the C, which is the first cost. So from here we get 5,000 being equal to 30 times 100, which is 3,000 plus C. So we take this here, we get 5,000 minus 3,000 being equal to C. So here we get C to be 2,000. Please you understand? Yes, so we are done. So what we will say is that, yes, please. So therefore, we found our M in C. So our total cost function becomes equal to 30 Q plus 2,000. Another approach. The other approach is that we know TC is equal to, yes, yes. You know our TC is this. So you take the activity level. So at the first activity level, our TC was 5,000 being equal to M times the quantity 100 plus C. So here we get 5,000 being equal to 100 M plus C. Please you understand? Then the second one, so this becomes equation 1. The second one too, we say that our TC was 8,000 being equal to M times 200 plus C. So from here we get 8,000 being equal to 200 M plus C. So this also becomes equation 2. Now, when we have simultaneous equations, let me write them well. That's 5,000 equals to 100 M plus C and 8,000 being equals to 200 M plus C. We can use a lot of approaches to solve it. We can use first elimination, second substitution, third matrix. The matrix too, under the matrix we have the inverse approach and we have the Cramer's rule approach. So under matrix too, we have two methods. I'll use this to teach you inverse of the matrix. So here I'm going to do all the four methods that I'm talking about. There is a last method which is the graphical method. Yes, that one too is there, but I'm doing all the four methods that I'm talking about. We would ignore the graph. So the first method is by elimination. So by elimination, you just compare. You know, here is C, here is C. So when you subtract C from C, you get what? C from C here. This C minus C, what do you get? Not, listen, no, C here, C minus C is what? Oh, make a trans. Yeah. So when you subtract C from C, you get 0, right? So the elimination is that equation 2 minus equation 1. Because, listen, we are finding M and C. So we have to eliminate one so that we can find the other. So when we say equation 2 minus equation 1, then we get 8,000 minus 5,000 being equal to what? 200M minus 100M plus C minus C. Please, you understand? You understand? So here will give us 3,000 being equal to 200M minus 100M will give what? 100M. But C minus C will give you what? So from here we can divide here by 100 because we are finding M. Then we cancel. When we cancel, you know that 100, the two zeros will also cancel itself here. So our M will be what? 30, like we got. Then we say put M, which is 30, kill. No, this time we don't even go there. So put M, which is 30, into maybe equation 1. Okay. So you know equation 1 is 5,000 being equal to 100M. So M now is 30 plus C. That's equation 1 here. So when we put it in, we get 5,000 being equal to 3,000 plus C. Please, are we good? Now, this 3,000 here, we transfer it to the side. So we get 5,000 minus 3,000 being equal to C. So 2,000 is our C. So therefore, isn't it the same as the first course we got? So you come. Therefore, total cost is equal to 30 kil plus 2,000. Another approach. Question number 1. When you go, I'll tell you what to say. You don't worry. Before when I'm done, I know what to tell you.